In this video, we will be working on finding the missing angle in a triangle, but the solving process will include variables. So if we look at our first example, we have a triangle here where I've given you two angles, and the third angle is represented with x plus 74. So first we need to find the value of x, and then we can find the value of this missing angle. So to do so, we need to set up an equation. So I know all three of these angles add up to be 180 degrees. So 55 plus 54 plus my x plus 74 all add up to be 180 degrees. Now I could put this in parentheses here, but because it's addition, it doesn't make a difference. So then I'm going to combine my like terms here. So 55 plus 54 plus 74 all make 183 plus x equals 180. So next step in solving would be to subtract this 183. X is -3, so we found x. So that means this angle is -3 plus 74. So the measure of the missing angle is 71 degrees. All right. So pause the video and give this second one a try. All right, let's see how you did. So all three angles here have to add up to 180. So 70 plus 60 plus 8x plus 2 all add up to 180 degrees. So my 70, my 60, and my 2 I can all combine because those are all like terms on the same side. Okay, now I have a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 132 from both sides. 8x is equal to 48. So now to divide, to find x is equal to 6. Okay, so when I plug 6 in here, 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2, this missing angle is 50 degrees. All right, so these ones are a little bit more challenging, but I am going to have you pause and try them first, and then play through to see how you did. All right, so the missing angle in this first image is this 97 plus x and this blank one here that is a supplementary angle to this angle. So I know these three will form 180. So I can do 180 subtract 64, subtract 27 to figure out that this angle is 89 degrees. So then this 89 degrees and this 97 plus x have to add up to 180 degrees. So here is where I can make my equation all equal to 180. So I can combine my 89 and 97, which is 186 plus x. Subtract my 186. X is -6, so 97 plus -6 tells me that this angle is 91 degrees. So in the second image, these are vertical angles, so I know that this is going to be 80. These two are also vertical angles, so this one's going to be 60. So these three have to add up to 180 degrees. So remember, we have to find x and we have to find the measure of the angle. So 80 plus 60 plus x plus 51 gives me 180. So those three combine to be 191 plus x equals 180. So x is going to be -11. So -11 plus 51 gives me 40 degrees. All right, so now they get a little trickier because I not only gave you one angle being represented with variables, there are two. Okay, so again, we need to find x, and we need to find the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B. Okay, if you think you can do this on your own, you can pause now. If not, I am going to go through this one as an example. So all three of those have to add up to 180 degrees. So 84 plus x plus 59 as my second angle, plus x plus 51, all add up to 180 degrees. So I have 2x, because x plus x makes 2x, and then 84 plus 59 plus 51 gives me 194. So I gotta subtract that 194 from both sides. 2x is equal to a negative 14. Divide by 2. X is negative 7. So remember, that's the first part, finding x. Second part is finding the two angles. So negative 7 plus 59 gives us 52 degrees. Negative 7 plus 51 gives us 44 degrees. Let's try a couple more of those. Pause the video and try this one. So remember, this is 90 degrees at right angle. So 90 degrees plus x plus 37 plus x plus 67 all equal 180 degrees. So combine your like terms. Got 194 plus my 2x equals 180. So I got x equals negative 7 again. So measure of angle A happens to be 30 degrees. Measure of angle B is going to be 60 degrees. Okay. Last two, pause the video and give these a try. So the question here is just asking for the measure of angle A in each image. So this angle here and this angle here are what we are trying to find. So vertical angles here, I know that this is going to be 8x plus 4 also. So, and then these two angles are supplementary, so they've got to add up to 180 degrees, which makes that one 50. So these three now also make 180 degrees because they're inside my triangle. So 3x minus 6 plus 50 plus 8x plus 4 all make 180 degrees. So I've got 11x. Okay, subtract 6 from 50 gives me 44, plus 4 more make 48. So I'm going to subtract 48. So 11x is equal to 132. Divide 132 by 11. And I get x is equal to 12. So remember, our main goal is to find the measure of angle A. So when you plug 12 in for x, it tells us the measure of angle A is 30 degrees. Second one here, we've also got a pair of vertical angles. So this is also 4x plus 17 because vertical angles are congruent. So these three add up to 180 degrees. So 4x plus 17 plus x plus 23 plus 80 all give me 180 degrees. So I got 5x And then 17 plus 23 plus 80 gives me 120. So 5x is equal to 60. X is equal to 12. So plug 12 in here, plus 23 gives you 35 degrees.